thought I'd make a quick video of this. Right here is where a 24-foot pool is going to be. And I took all the sod out. Now I'm going to, I don't know if you can see it or not. Now I'm going to put clay back in. I brought that in yesterday. Build this up. So the pool is going to be setting up higher on the ground, as you see right down here. So it'll probably be about 2.5, 3 feet up. And then I'll level that out over there. And then it'll set down a little bit on that end. It'll be up on this end. That way all the water, it's not setting in the water anymore. Like over here. Yeah, what a mess, huh? I can't have that happen anymore. So it's gonna go over here. And this is all clay I'm putting in here. Todd, I am back with the building up of the dirt. Put a pool out here, and I got several more truckloads of dirt brought in. So I'm going to proceed to move that in its place